What exactly is going on in my brain then when I'm physically active that's causing my brain to be protected, insulated from things like Alzheimer's and dementia, and in some areas of the brain to actually grow?
I mean, one of the things that happens when we exercise is we increase blood flow to the brain, and that helps bring nutrients and keep our neurons functioning properly. But another thing that happens is that your muscles actually generate proteins called myokines, and those travel to the brain and they interact with neurons in ways that upregulate neurotrophin. So there's this great neurotrophin called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, and BDNF acts kind of like a fertilizer for brain cells or for new neurons. So BDNF, when it's upregulated with exercise, helps both the birth of new neurons and it helps them to survive and integrate into the processes that they're meant to work for.
This is probably a stupid question, but I'm just wondering why the brain just doesn't do that anyway.
It would be nice in some ways, but that's not really the way that our physiology works, right? So, as I was saying, if you think of the sort of natural condition of humans as being physically active, because that's what we had to do to find food and survive, then our physiology is adapted to that condition. And over the course of 2 million years, we never had to adapt to low levels of physical activity because it just wasn't a part of being human. And so it's only been in the last, few hundred years that we've seen this rapid decline in activity. And that's just not enough time to see that sort of adaptation occur.